Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to be making ranch dressing. It's very similar to the flavor of the ranch dressing you're used to. However, it's a lot healthier. I use real food in this recipe. I use a really good oil, a very small amount of oil, mainly. The nuts and seeds are what give it the creaminess, and it's fast and easy to make. You just need a high-speed blender. If you don't have a high-speed blender, you can substitute tahini for the sesame seeds and it will turn out just fine. I start with putting the vegetables in the Vitamix, and I'm just using celery and red pepper are my veggies for this. Just throw it in there. And the red pepper. And we put everything else in there. Some lemon juice, some sesame seeds, little nutritional yeast to give it some cheesy flavor, and some cashews, little bit of avocado oil, little onion powder, dates, and a little dry mustard, little white pepper, cloves of garlic, and that's all I'm going to put in there right now. I'll tell you why in a minute, that we leave those out. Whip this up, add some water as it goes. So as it's blending, I'll add a little water. That's perfect. And now at the end, you want to add, this is fresh tarragon from the garden. If you don't have fresh, you can just use dried tarragon. But I put this in the last step, all of my spices, because I don't want them to be ground fine. I want to be able to taste them in the dressing. So that was dill, and this is basil. And then you just turn it on the lowest setting and just pulse it. So you just want to pulse just until it moves down into the dressing. And you can still see the herbs in the dressing. And there it is. Doesn't that look great? Really creamy, delicious. Hope you like it. And if you want more videos like this one, check out our social media pages and visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.